how to cancel an order on Wayfair. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel an order on Wayfair. So how do you do so? The first step is to log in into your Wayfair account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see your account icon and click on it. Then in the drop down menu, select my orders and automatically you'll be taken to your orders page. So once you're on this page, you'll see all of your orders. You can see the different categories of the orders as well, such as in progress, delivered, cancelled, returned. So just locate the item or the order that you would like to cancel. After clicking on the order, ensure you select order details. All right, next to the order, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'd see more options about the order. Then amongst the options that you can see there, choose the cancel item or other option. You'll see it there. All right. Click on it and then you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to fill out a form. Ensure you fill out the form, the reason for canceling the order and all of that, and then click on submit, and then the cancellation will be completed, and then a confirmation email will be sent to you. So this is how you can cancel an order on Wayfair. Thank you for watching and have a good day.